This year I wanted to plant a vegetable garden, but I was a little late in the game, and so most of the seeds were sold out. But did you know that you have a garden in your refrigerator? It's true. You can grow things from vegetables you've already purchased, and I'm going to show you a few that I did. The most amazing one, I think, are scallions. Because scallions, when you buy them, have the little roots on the ends, and all you do is you cut off the top, plant them in some soil, and they grow like crazy. And all you do is when you want to use them, you just keep snipping off the tops and they just continue to grow. The second thing that I did, these are bell pepper plants, and there's probably 24 in there. And I grew them from the seeds that I took out of a bell pepper. I just loosened the seeds in some soil, put a little soil on top, watered it, put it in the window, and look at that. So those are going outside. I'm also going to plant some cilantro because I just got a bunch of cilantro. And you will notice that there are lots of roots at the bottom. So I'm gonna grow that. But last but not least, this excites me to no end. You know I love rosemary if you follow me, and I use it in my paella recipe that I've been teasing you with for the last 2 videos. And I am actually going to make paella for my next video, and if you don't want to miss that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell. But I got some rosemary, and I snipped 3 sprigs at an angle, put them in water. Check that out. They're rooting. I'm going to plant these in a container outside. Rosemary grows very abundantly. It gets huge. So if you plant rosemary, you want to make sure you put it in a container. Otherwise, it will take over your garden. But anyway, I am so excited about my rosemary. So if you want to plant some vegetables, look in your refrigerator.